Guys, here is home decorators collection. Petersford ceiling fan. Here's the light. Stim. Yeah, that's the brightest it can go. Here's low.
So we can
oh, good. Okay. Storage. Oh, that was the issue. Was good. You're thirsty.
That's about low. You see there's a remote right here. Got my fingers in the way. So let's go to medium. So it's a little wobbly.
You want to put this in here?
Forever.
So it's the dishwasher. Down the fridge, I mean. What's that hot air?
Oh, do you need to get your oil changed?
Yeah, I did.
The warning light was on. That's for that, right?
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, we get back all better.
Right? So it's pretty wobbly on high. Off. How they remodeled this place.
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit. Plus, is there Wi-Fi here?
There is. It's on that sheet of paper, Ryan.
There we go.
Yeah.
What's the owner's name?
I don't know. Maybe Winnie?
Winnie.
Huh? Leslie?
And Leslie.
The Wi-Fi password.
This studio series is still here. I'll show it's how it's set the medium. It's not set correctly. I'm gonna turn the light on.
Also like a camp.
Yeah, that's
You can tell they removed the old stereo system. Put a TV there.
Here's the
Oh, you're so thirsty.
What are you doing?
Oh, it's taking a long spin down time. Much longer than the summer breeze.
Oh, you didn't bring half and half?
Oh, I did. It's one of these things.
Oh, okay. Yeah, somewhere to go.
Oh, they just put a Samsung refrigerator.
Did you see it or?
No, but I think there's some more coolers over here. Hey, Ryan, when you're done with your thing, can you bring your backpack into your bag? And you need to unpack your clothes, too.
Yeah. It takes a very long spin that time.
I didn't notice.
Good God. Maybe the blade pitch is probably the blades are probably skinny. And the blade pitch is probably shallow.